Hello Petra Christian! Welcome to Petra Christian University Library. My name is Jonathan and I'm here with my friends.
I'm Casey.
I'm Gilbert.
And I'm Salva.
Okay, so what are we going to do, guys?
We're going to show you Petranations how to make the most out of our university's convenient library.
Sounds so fun! Please tell me everything you guys know about this library, okay?
A quick question for you, Gilbert. Do you know where our library is?
Of course I know, Sal. Please. This library is located in Siwalan Kerta 121 until 131. Practice Prawiro building on 5th to 8th floor to be exact. Am I right, Joe?
You're pretty good already, but our library has 4 floors, so it is certainly equipped with everything that you need. That's pretty impressive. But I have a quick question for you guys. How do we borrow books from this library?
Well, that's very easy actually. So first thing first, you need to check for the availability of the books and digital collections in our digital catalog in our library or our library's website. You just have to go to due.petra.ac.id and click the physical collection. It is very handy since we can access the website anywhere and you just need a gadget and your internet connection. Just type in any book or audiovisual you're looking for and there will be a code that shows you on which floor and which shelf the book is at.
You know guys, this library is so big. But the online catalog makes it very easy to find the book that we need.
I know, right? So after you find the book that you're looking for, go to the circulation room to process the book we're going to borrow. Don't forget to bring your KTM or Kartu Tanda Mahasiswa, and it's all done. Very quick and easy, right?
Guys, is there a way to borrow a book from home?
There is actually. Just type in petra.id/circulation and that's it. You can borrow books, extend borrowing time, or even return any book from home.
Yeah, and for your information, you also can request e-resources at petra.id/e-resource_rec. Then the librarian will process your request, either your e-resources request or book borrowing matters, and contact you through email or WhatsApp.
So, Salsa, what if I need to ask something that I don't really understand?
Well, worry not, Bert. You can go to the Reference and Information Service to help you look for articles, collections, or just simply give you any advice that you need right here, right now. Or by sending an email to rats-desk@petra.ac.id. Very easy, right?
And guys, not only that, but it's also very easy for us to get comfortable in this lesehan area where we can read books in such a chill environment. I'm pretty sure that all of us have spent so much time during our free period in this lesehan area.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
I totally agree with you guys. This used to be my go-to place, and now I miss this library so much. While I'm here, I'm going to read as many journals as I can. I'm tired of not being able to find a good source for my paper on Google.
What? Don't you know we can freely access thousands of scientific articles and supposedly paid ebooks online? Basically, we can use credible sources for our thesis and paper effortlessly.
Really? So you're saying that this library provides us on the things that Google cannot find?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. And Petranation can access this through the library website anywhere at any time too.
Yeah, that's correct, Joe. PCU's library has subscribed to online resources exclusive to Petranation. These include e-journals, database, and also e-books. And you can get the list in due.petra.ac.id/catalog/journal.
Oh wow! Tell me more details on how to access it. I need those for my upcoming paper.
Just go to due.petra.ac.id, click the database or ebook, then click the off-campus access button, and log in with your Petra account, and finally choose the database you need. Make sure you see that it's provided by Universitas Kristen Petra or Petra Christian University.
Wow, thank you so much guys. You guys are so informative. One more question please. What is the digital collection section on that website for?
You can access our alumni theses with this digital collection spread, and also you can use them for your research purposes.
Unbelievable. I'm going to do my test as soon as possible. With these many resources and top-tier facilities, I think getting an A is a piece of cake.
That's not all, Bert. Other than the one we have mentioned before, the library at Petra also has membership for the OSAT community, and the one I always use, photocopy service.
I always go there whenever I need to photocopy my test. You know, it's practical for college students like us.
True. I sometimes bump into you, but
But that's not all, guys. In this library, we also have Wi-Fi to support our learning activity. Also, we can suggest any book that we want to be available soon. And do you guys happen to remember about the audiovisual room on the 5th floor?
Oh, the audiovisual room. I watch TVs all the time in that room. And the collaborative room are highly suitable for group works and also holding small meetings, since each room is equipped with smart TV facilities.
yeah, and there are hundreds of movies to choose from. It's helped me with my studies. Sometimes during my free time, I watch movies there too. You can also borrow some audiovisual with the same procedure as borrowing books.
Wow, that is extremely helpful. I'd like to know more about our library. Where can I get the further information?
Okay, don't worry. If you need anything related about the library at Petra, you can contact them through WhatsApp 081-2344-601-89 for general information.
And by sending an email to ref-desk@petra.pc.id to get help from the reference service. And for further information, you can go to our library's website, library.petra.pc.id.
And also don't forget to follow our Instagram at library@petra, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Library AP Petra to share and connect any information.
Thank you so much, guys. Now that I know a lot about our library, I'm pretty sure our fellow patrons has gained so much information as well.
Absolutely. So that's all we have for today, guys. So, Petra Nation, we're waiting for you. So stay safe and
See you guys at Petra Christian University Library!